Hello guys, so today I am going to be showing you how to do a hard reset on your AirPod Pro. Now, why would you want to do a hard reset? Well, for example, if one of the earphones is not working, or if you, for some reason, are just not connecting through your Bluetooth, then you might want to try this. What it will do is do a basic factory reset, and then you can start over and it will automatically link to your iPhone. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is an AirPod Pro, and as you will see, there is a button right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up, and then we're gonna turn to the back and we're gonna hold it, and you'll see this little bright light flashing I mean. And once it starts flashing, just keep holding it down on the back. As you can see, I'm holding it down. And soon, there we go, it's gonna turn orange. And once it turns orange and back to white, then you know that you have achieved and accomplished a hard reset on your AirPod Pro. So now, I'm going to do a quick little test. So I'm bringing in my iPhone, and then I'm going to open it within its vicinity, and what do you know? Look, connect with iCloud. So basically, once I push this, it's going to connect. Yay! So I hope this has helped you guys, and yeah, good luck. If you liked, or if this video has helped you, please give a like. And I'm not going to say smash that subscribe button, but it really does help when people do. So thanks again, guys, and have a great day.